Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rashid Ali, and I'm thankful to Sir Luqman for giving me this opportunity. My topic is financial records of school. Financial records of school. Financial management. First of all, we'll talk about financial management. Management is one of the most fundamental practices in any enterprise or business, including schools and other educational institutes. Financial management essentially means planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the financial activities in schools so that the financial resources are used in an efficient and effective manner. Financial management ensures that the administration and management team are able to manage the budget in a better manner and make informed decisions related to the school budget. Now, there are some of the types of financial records of school. First one is Acquaintance roll. These shows salaries paid to the teaching and non-teaching staff, number of working days for which a teacher has been employed, if temporary deductions of provident fund, income tax, and any deduction along with the staff member's signature and date. It is necessary to mention here that no staff member should sign the acquaintance roll without receiving his or her salary. The cash book. The register records every financial transaction of any sort that take place in the school. The financial transaction include amounts received in the form of grant in aid, donations from the philanthropists, and fees, subscriptions, scholarship money from government or private parties, etc. Contingencies register. The register maintains records of all expenditure on equipment, repairs to the building, rents for building, stationery, books purchased for the library, equipment purchased for the laboratory, postage, petty expenses, etc. For every item that is entered in the cash book, that there should be corresponding entry in the contingency registry. Fee collection register. The register maintains a record of all details concerning fees paid by each student. Teachers or clerks collecting fees should always be very careful to give receipts to pupils and get a receipt amount handed over to the principal if they do not deposit in the directly. Student fees management. Now they have to manage fees as well. For the school finance team, student fees are a large part of the finance management, and school finance management tool helps to ease the process of. There are some tools that are used to process student fees management in a number of ways. Now, school account management. The school financial management system offers the school and education institutes a broad selection of features that empowers them with the ability to manage and control their accounts more effectively. Now, staff payroll management, just like we talk about the Acquaintance roll, where we provide funds to the people that are related to the school. Now, staff payroll. The schools also have many employees, teachers, administration staff, department heads. The fees given to them or the payroll that are given to them should be managed by the school counselor. There is a Financial Management Act that was given in 1999. It says that the head teacher, who is accountable officer under the Financial Management Act, the head teacher's financial responsibilities include collection and recording of school income, assisting in the preparation of a school budget, maintenance of auditable records of all school expenditure, preparation of quarterly financial reports of BOM meetings, and community, ensuring that resources are efficiently utilized, so the safekeeping of all financial records. Thank you.